Hi there, boys and girls. We're going to talk about quadrilaterals today. We talked some about it last week, about what makes them a quadrilateral. Um, there's different types of quadrilaterals. Um, you learned last week quadrilaterals have four sides, okay? And all these shapes do. And I'm going to move this one here because we've got a special kind of quadrilateral. And this one is here. So these are three different quadrilaterals, okay? They're a quadrilateral and other things, okay? So they can have more than one name. A square is a square because all of the sides are the same length, okay? Now, the square also has to have corners that look like this. Now, if you remember back from 2 days ago with the triangles, these are called right angles. Okay, a square has to have four right angles. Okay, otherwise it's not a square. Okay, it's going to take me down to this shape. All the sides are the same, but the corners are not right angles. Okay, so it cannot be called a square because the corners are not 90 degrees. Okay, so this shape gets called a parallelogram. Now, parallelogram, we've talked about parallel and perpendicular, okay? Parallelogram means the sides that are across from each other, and we call them opposite sides, are parallel, okay? So the top and bottom are parallel, and the two sides are parallel. Now, the two side ones, they're a little slanted, right? But they will still not touch. Even if you keep drawing them on farther, they will not touch. So we say they are parallel because they are. And if the shape has two pairs of sides that are parallel, so pair one is purple, pair two is green, that makes it a parallelogram. Now, if we go back to our square here, the top and bottom are parallel. The sides are also parallel. So this is a square and a parallelogram. Okay? It's now both. Okay? It's actually now three things. It's a quadrilateral, it's a parallelogram, and it's a square. If we move over this rectangle, let's look at parallel sides. Top and bottom, they are parallel. Opposite sides, the ones across from each other, also parallel. That means this shape is also a parallelogram too. Now, so this is a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram, and this is a parallelogram. They are all parallelograms on this page, okay? Now, this shape is also called a rectangle, and this shape is also called a square. So again, quadrilaterals can have more than one name. Remember that for your practice work today. If you need any help, please let me know, and we will talk about it. Have a good day.